chat box? Nobody will use. Don't.
Good morning, ma'am.
Ma'am, Ishant is presenting.
Why are you presenting? I can't understand.
Ma'am, I could only see your screen. I could not see Ishant's screen.
Ma'am, when you present your screen, Ishant also presents his screen, ma'am. And it was gone, your screen and Ishant's.
Okay, I'll present again. Wait, please don't present in between. Every time this is the instruction. Don't present. Don't present. Sometimes it gets stuck. Everyone, mute yourself. Don't make me mute you. Mute yourself. How many? Sai Krishna joined. Is this visible?
Yes.
Okay. So the next chapter, yesterday we have done the class discussion. Yesterday we have completed class discussion. Exercises are left that I told you I'll make a worksheet, combined worksheet, and then I'll send you. And for today,
Ma'am, I want to read, ma'am.
please
Ma'am,
don't.
I want to also. Ma'am, I also want to read.
तो ये बोलेगा उसको चांस नहीं मिलेगा. First of all, please stop. I know I'll give you chance, everyone. So the talkative barber, next topic, next chapter. This is the last chapter for your first term syllabus. Then we will have revision of syllabus. Okay. Last chapter of your English first term syllabus.
Ma'am,
Let's
you
start.
said today.
Let's start the reading with Vishishta. Vishishta.
Ma'am,
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Tejas.
ma'am, we are. You told that there will be Robinson Crusoe and My Shadow test today.
Please test, but after completing my classes because I have to take classes
Ma'am told 12:30 it will be test.
after 12 p.m. I'll give you the test after 12. Okay.
Okay,
In the
ma'am.
afternoon you will get the test, and after my class you can prepare for the test. You have time till 12. After 12 you can give the test. Okay, I will give you the link. Test is already prepared. Okay, so I'll give you the link after 12 p.m. So let's start with the chapter. Vishishta, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Screen visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Start reading. Next, the talkative barber.
The talkative barber. Long, long ago,
1 minute, 1 minute. What do you mean by talkative?
talkative means that always talking, non-stop
No,
talking.
that means a person who is talking all the time. That is
Talkative.
called
Talkative. All the time talkative.
talking every time, like a chatterbox. Can call it a chatterbox. Okay.
Ma'am.
By barber. Barber. Who is a barber?
Ma'am, a barber is the person who cuts the hair. Good morning, ma'am.
Barber
Ma'am,
is the.
Yeah.
good morning, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am.
Yes, Tejas.
So in my drawing class, some people call me chatterbox.
Chatterbox.
Class. अच्छा work X class. Okay. Work X class.
No,
Yes.
my drawing class.
Yeah,
While
ma'am. In
drawing,
drawing class, ma'am.
why everyone call you chatterbox? You keep on talking every time.
No, I see. When I have a doubt, but man doesn't listen to me. That's why I have to do my work by my own myself.
No problem. That is good. You are doing your work yourself. Everyone should have this quality. Do your work yourself. Try to do yourself. Okay. If you have any problem, then you can consult the teachers. But first of all, try it yourself. Give it one try and then ask your teachers. Okay. Okay. Now come back to the chapter. Vishishta, start the reading.
Long, long ago, a sultan whose name was Shahryar ruled over a large kingdom. His queen was a good storyteller. Each night, she would tell a story to the king. She narrated ancient Persian and Arabic folk tales. This is one of the stories from the Arabian Nights.
Story, you know the name of there was a sultan named Shahryar, ruled over large kingdom. Queen, his queen means his wife was a good storyteller. Okay, so she used to narrated story in a very good manner, and you can say with all the expressions, all the feelings, all the characters she used to imbibe in her, and then she used to tell. And this story, the talkative barber, is from Arabian Nights. Okay, continue.
Ma'am, I think this is story of like Arif Laila, no ma'am?
Alif Laila. Let's
Yes,
see.
ma'am.
See
One girl
yourself.
will be one girl will tell story for one king.
Okay.
Daily thousand days it will over.
In the city of Kashgar lived a barber who was a great talker. Once the Sultan called the barber to shave his head. The barber started talking non-stop instead of shaving him. The Sultan got
Angry.
talking and began to do your work.
Okay, good. Stop, Vishishta. Good. So, in the city of Kashgar lived barber, who lived a barber who was very talkative, who was a great talker. He was very talkative and he used to talk non-stop. Once Sultan called him. Sultan is a king. Okay, king called him to his palace to shave his head. Okay, so now when he went to the palace and he started talking, when are you going to stop talking and begin to do your work? So now Sultan got angry and he asked this question: when will you stop this nonsense talk and you will start your work? Okay.
Ma'am, I will
Next,
take.
next. Please be quiet. Next
Uh,
from boys. One boy, one girl. Okay. Next from boys we will take V Sai Krishna. Sai Krishna.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Start. Wait.
I didn't go fast, ma'am.
I'll give you chance. Wait. Chapter is long. Chapter it is. Please
I also didn't got.
don't say this. You didn't got. I already told you. I'll give you chance. Okay. Next. V Sai Krishna. Read.
Okay, ma'am. From where to where, ma'am?
You read. I'll stop you. The barber. From here you read.
The barber replied, "You do me an injury by calling me a
Chatterer. Yes.
For everyone says I am very quiet. I have 6 brothers whom you might call chatterers. Their names are Backbone, Buckbone,
Bakbaria.
Bugbear,
Bakban. Bakbaria. Bakbak.
Bug, Bugburia, Bug,
Bakbak.
Buck,
Ulkuz. Ulnashi.
Ulnashi,
Kabak.
and
And Shakabak.
Shakabak.
Okay,
One
good. Stop. Stop. Okay. Now Barber was saying to the king that you are hurting me while calling me a chatterer. You are giving me an injury. This means you are hurting me by calling me a chatterer. For everyone says I am very quiet. So he's saying I am not a chatterer. I don't talk too much. I am very quiet. I have 6 brothers. How many brothers the barber was having? 6 brothers. So total
Six
they were
brothers. 7.
okay. So 6 brothers and one barber himself. So total there were 7. 6 brothers and names. Their names. They are chatterers. The brothers are also seen like the barbers. Okay, they are also like a chatterbox. So their names are Buck Bun, Buck Baria, Buck Buck, Ulkuz, Ulnashi, and Shaka Buck. So all these are names of the six brothers. Okay. Now from girls, Akshaya, Akshaya,
Yes, ma'am.
Akshaya, read from here. One is humpbacked.
One is humpbacked. One is
Toothless.
toothless. One is half blind. One is quite blind.
Blind.
One is deaf, and the other has a
Defect.
defect in his speech. And they are all great talkers, but I am the
Youngest.
youngest of my family.
Okay, good. So now he's telling the characteristics of his brothers. One is humpbacked. What is humpbacked? Humpbacked. Can anyone tell me the meaning of humpbacked?
No, ma'am. I don't know.
Humpbacked means a person you would have seen in movies person having जिसके बैक पे बाहर bone is
बाहर गया था मैम मुझसे.
the backbone or backbone is little bit coming out, okay,
Yeah,
and
ma'am.
they are bended downwards. You would have seen in movies or any shows or any.
Yes, ma'am.
I seen, ma'am.
That is humpback. Okay, one is
Ma'am, I saw,
humpback.
ma'am.
Ma'am, old one will walk like they
Yes,
will
they
bend
bend and then
his
walk. Yes, they will bend
with
their
the stick.
back and they will walk. Okay, so this is okay. Next one is toothless. So one is not, one is humpback, one is toothless, means not having teeth. One is half blind. Half blind. What is half
That
blind?
is
Maybe
cute, ma'am. He is half blind
Ma'am,
means
only one
he
eye
can
he has,
one
ma'am.
eye.
One eye it will. He cannot see, and
Only
one
one
eye
eye.
will.
Ma'am, he can only see with one eye.
so other one is quite blind. So quite blind means he's full blind. Okay. So out of four are having the problems, and one is deaf. Fifth one is deaf, and the last sixth one has defect in his speech. So one,
Deaf means we
all the
cannot hear.
deaf. Yes, deaf is a person who cannot hear. So deaf person who can't hear, and the last one, sixth one is having defect in speech. So who is normal?
Ma'am, what
The
is the
barber.
meaning of?
Sorry.
He is the normal. Ma'am, what's the meaning of defect in speech? The barber, ma'am.
Let him. What's the meaning of?
Defect in speech.
Defect in speech means maybe he would be stammering, maybe a speech defect. You are not able to speak properly. It can be stammering or any other language problem. Okay. Stammering means धीरे धीरे अटक अटक के बोलना. That is stammering. Okay. So defect in speech is you have a problem in speaking. So all the six brothers was having some or the other kind of problem, and the barber was the youngest in the family. He was the seventh one in the family and normal one. Okay, you can't say normal. He's a chatterbox. Is quality, but from physically he was normal. Okay, he was not having any defect. Okay, let's come to the next page. You can see the picture of the, he's telling about the six and telling about half blind, full blind. Okay, so
Yes, ma'am.
defect, all you can see is telling this is humpback. See this picture here. You can see here, this is humpback. Okay, next, next from boys. Let's start. Kaushik, Kaushik Yadav. Kaushik, can you hear me?
Voice, ma'am.
Kaushik, Kaushik, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Kaushik, read from here.
Ma'am, he has to read from here, ma'am. And I am. Yes. And I am very quiet and spelling with words.
Wait. I am the second, but I am the. This is 100 and One, na? So we are on correct page, right? And but I am the youngest of my family. So then
Ma'am,
we will.
then it's 101, ma'am.
Sorry. इसके बाद कोई लाइन है?
101 page.
101.
हाँ, ma'am. There is one line. Ma'am,
There is
after
one.
this only 101.
101 only, no? So
Yeah.
101 starting from give him three
Yes,
pieces.
ma'am. That
Okay.
one only.
That is only, na? Okay, correct. Read from here. Kaushik, give him three pieces.
Give him three pieces of gold. The Sultan cried, laughing
Losing all patience.
all.
Send him.
And send him
No, no.
will not be. I will not be away. I will not be good today. My master.
Okay, good. Okay, stop. Kaushik, okay, stop. So now the king said, king was very angry, as you can see from the picture. He is very angry. He got angry and he is saying, please give him three pieces of gold. And he was not having that much patience. So he told him to give him three pieces of gold. Give him three pieces of gold and
Ma'am,
send
some
him
sound is
away.
coming, ma'am.
Wait. Please mute yourself. जिसका नाम please Ashwita mute, Ananya mute. Nobody will unmute. Okay, next from girls. Akshara. Akshara.
Yes, ma'am.
Akshara. Okay, read.
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
My
My
master.
master cried, Barbel. My master cried, Barbel. It was not I who came to seek you. It was they who ordered to me. Come. So I will quiet your house till I have
Not
shaved
quit.
you. He then began
Narrating.
ma'am,
He then began narrating
narrating
another
story which lasted half an hour.
Okay, good.
Half
So,
an hour. Coming. Stop
okay, wait.
making you.
Akshara, stop. Akshara, stop. Stop here. Please listen where you have to stop. So now,
Ishan Mike is not coming.
Ishant, what happened? What happened? क्या हुआ? Please stop. Okay. So now the
नहीं आ रहा मैम.
क्या नहीं आ रहा?
मेरा
आप
माइक.
ईशांत आप अपना रिमूव करके दोबारा ज्वाइन करो. रिमूव फ्रॉम द क्लास एंड कम बैक. इट विल बी ओके. ओके.
मैम अभी भी नहीं आ रहा मैम.
हो जाएगा. तो ज्वाइन करो, रीज्वाइन करो. मे बी यू हैव इंटरनेट प्रॉब्लम.
नो मैम हमारे पास नेट भी है.
Yourself. Fifth, you make it very difficult to complete one chapter. Mute yourself. Okay. So my master cried. Now Barber, he told to the king that it was not I who came with my wish. It was you who ordered me to come. So it was the king who ordered the servants to bring the barber. So Barber is saying, this is not my wish. I was not willing to come, but you ordered me to come. So I will not quit your house till I shaved you. So he's saying, now I will not quit my work in between. I will quit only when I will shave you fully. So he then began narrating another story which lasted half an hour. So he was very talkative. So after completing one story, he switched to another story. Okay. Next from boys. Revant. Revant.
Ma'am.
Yes, read from here. Stop making till Sultan.
Okay, ma'am. Stop making your fine
Speeches.
Stop making your fine speeches and let me go. Quite. I have an affair.
Quickly. Read properly. Let me go quickly.
Let me go quickly. I have an afraid to the greatest important. I have to go out at soon, said the Sultan.
Okay, good. So now Sultan was very angry and he said, "Stop making your this stories and speeches and let me go quickly. He has an important work of great importance. He has to attend something, some meeting, affair. You can say it's a meeting. So he has to attend some meeting of great importance. So she was in a hurry that if my shave will be completed, then I will go to the meeting. So I have go out at noon, said the Sultan. Okay.
Ma'am, me, ma'am.
Fifth A, is it clear till here?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt?
Yes,
Any doubt?
ma'am.
Yes,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am. No doubt, ma'am. Any doubt?
Okay, next from girls. Let's
Ma'am, me,
call
ma'am.
from Hashvita.
Yes,
Hashvita.
ma'am.
Okay, Hashvita, start reading. When he saw.
When he saw that the Sultan was really agree with him,
Angry.
the barber said, "Oh, master, do not be angry.
Angry.
I will be being to say shame."
Shave you.
Saying this, he
Washed.
washed the Sultan's head and
Began.
began to shave,
Okay, stop.
but he had
Stop.
not
Stop.
touched.
Stop. So now, Barber came to know that the Sultan was really angry. The expressions he was giving, he was very furious, very angry with the talks, nonsense talks. He was saying the stories he was narrating. So he got really angry, and then Barber said, "Don't be angry. I will begin to shave." So then he started shaving his head, washed and started shaving his head. Okay, next from boys, Navneet. Navneet,
Yes, ma'am.
read.
But he had
But
not touched him even 4 times with his
with the
razor.
razor,
When he stopped and said, "My master, you are acting hastily,
in this,
hastily in this matter. Go on shaving me. Speak no more,"
no.
ordered the Sultan.
Now, okay, stop. Good. So now he began to shave, but he hadn't touched him 4 times. Then also, while shaving, also he was talking too much that he haven't used the razor even 4 times. That means he was used very less the razor. When he stopped and said, "My master, you are acting hastily in me." What is hastily?
Ma'am, you are acting rude.
Acting hastily in this matter means you are making it in a hurry. Okay, you are doing very much hurry in this matter. So then the master, the king said, Sultan said, "Go on shaving me, speak no more." So he said, "You should not speak now, go on shaving," ordered the Sultan. Okay, next, girls. From girls,
Ma'am,
Ma'am, please, ma'am.
Praharshita.
Ma'am,
Praharshita.
ma'am, Akshara is telling 5 minutes, 4 minutes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Praharshita, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, start from here. Be patient.
Be patient, said the farmer. Perhaps you have not considered well what you are going to do. I wish you I
Would tell me
me what this what would tell me what this matter of
of
great,
great importance.
importance is all about, and then I will give you my opinion on it.
Okay, good. Stop. So now the barber said, "Please be patient. Be patient," said the barber. "Perhaps you have not considered well and what you were going to do." So he is now, he wanted to ask. He was, you can say, he was very curious to know what is the important matter. Why is Sultan saying that he has to attend an important affair? So he wanted to know what was the matter. So he's saying, "I wish you would tell me the matter of great importance." So he wanted to know the matter. What is the matter with that much important matter? is all about, and then I will give you my opinion on it. So he said, now after listening to your matter, I will give my opinion, my thoughts to you. Okay,
Bye, ma'am.
next. Guys, time is not over. Okay, Tejas. Tejas,
Yep, ma'am.
let's start reading from here. Finish from finish
Finish
shaving.
living at once, the Sultan exclaimed. But instead of doing this, the barber left
Bye, ma'am.
Sultan half shaved. Go and see time it was. My patience is exhausted. The Sultan
Patience. Okay, good. So now, was that much angry? Please mute yourself. Who is this one? So Sultan was that much angry that he was saying, please, Sultan exclaimed, finish the shaving at once. But instead of doing this, Barber left the Sultan half shaved. Now, what did the Barber do? Barber left him half shaved. He shaved the head half. And see what time it was. My patience is exhausted. Now, the Sultan shouted with the angry feeling, angry emotion. He shouted and cried and he said, my patience is exhausted. What do you mean by exhausted?
Ma'am, getting higher.
Ma'am, I cannot wait again more than now. His
Exhausted
patience is
means
over.
my over. Yes, my patience
Ma'am,
is
tired
finished
and
now.
fed up.
Finished me is finished. My patience level is now exhausted. That is finished. It's over.
And can we
So he
take fed
shouted,
up?
you know. Okay. So fifth A, let us leave till here, or you want to complete?
Ma'am, we want to
Come
complete.
on, complete.
Ma'am, I want to eat.
Let me see how much is the chapter left. I think it's a big chapter, so we will take up in the next class only. Okay, it will take 10-15 minutes then. Okay, so if I will give chance to one student, it will take time. So I will
Ma'am,
leave
can
here
I read?
only. You can read at your home
Ma'am,
and then
please, ma'am. Ma'am, I want
read
to read.
Can
finish
I
the
read?
reading at home.
Just one phrase, ma'am. Please, ma'am.
Complete
Yes,
your
ma'am, please.
reading at home in the next English class. When is your next Thursday? Next Thursday is your English class. So on that, before
Yes.
that, we on one EVS class we will complete this. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So complete. Everyone will complete the reading of this chapter. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Am I clear?
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am.
Now,
Okay,
please
ma'am.
be
Bye.
ready for attendance.
Yeah, ma'am.
Why
How
there are
long?
71 chats in the chat
Yes,
box?
ma'am.
71. That means you are not attending the chapter and you are just inclined to the chat.
Ma'am, all of
Don't make yourself inclined to search this chat box. Chat box is for answering and giving your attendance. So when I'm asking orally, then you can give answer orally. Then no need to use this chat box. Okay. So give your attendance now. Akshara is here.
Yes, ma'am. She has left,
Akshara,
ma'am.
she left. Okay. Akshaya,
Ma'am, she is there, ma'am.
Present, ma'am.
Akshaya,
Ma'am,
she is
she is
present.
there.
Where is
Akshara is
Akshara?
present, ma'am.
Where is Akshara? Akshara,
Ma'am, Akshaya present.
Akshaya is present. Bhavana, she is not present. Harshita,
Nine, I think.
Harshita, Harshita is also absent.
Yeah, 39
Hashmita,
is ma'am.
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Har- present.
Present, ma'am.
Janani, Muskan, Praharshita. Ishant, please mute yourself. Ishant. Praharshita,
Present, ma'am.
Pranati, Reshma, Rohita, Rohita, Rohita.
She has left, ma'am.
Rohita, I will mark absent. G. Shrenika,
Present, ma'am.
G. Shrenika present. Sujita, Sujita, Vibha,
Present, ma'am.
Vibha present. Yashaswini, Fiona. Fiona.
Yeah.
B. Shrinika. B. Shrinika. Prasuna. Vishishta. Vishishta.
She also
Rushida. Vishishta is
Present,
there.
ma'am.
Okay. Rushida. Rushida. Rushida is present. Rushida.
No, ma'am.
I think she left. Rushida is not here. Okay. Ananya. Ananya.
She is there, ma'am. She's there.
Ananya is here. Okay. Dhruvika.
Present, ma'am.
Kritika. Kritika. Mute yourself. Kritika. I think she's present. She's not saying. Yes. Shrija. Shrija. Shrija.
She's there, ma'am.
Present, ma'am.
Please attendance एक बार में बोलो. It is very difficult. It takes 10 minutes to complete your attendance.
Present, ma'am.
Shant.
He also there, ma'am. He's not saying.
Hemant. Junaid. Jayendra.
Yes, ma'am.
Kaushik.
Present.
Kaushik. Nikitesh.
Present, ma'am.
Babu. Maniteja. Navneet.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Prajwal.
He's not
P.
there. ma'am.
Shashank. Y. Shashank. Shashank. Y. Shashank is present. Yes. Tejas.
Present.
Stephen. Stephen. Stephen, yes.
Not
Okay. Stephen is present. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Then
He's present.
Satvik. Satvik is also present.
Yeah, ma'am.
Varun. Varun.
Present, ma'am.
Revan. Sai Krishna.
Present, ma'am.
Present, ma'am.
Sai Krishna also. Okay. Now you can leave and please complete. Homework is to complete your this chapter reading and then at 12 after 12 I will give you the test. Okay.
मैम आपने बोला था कि राइपर विंकल का
हाँ वो भी दूंगी. आपके 2 days holidays हैं उसमें आपको मिल जाएगा. Rip and Winkle question answers I will send. Okay. In these 2 days you can complete.
हॉलीडेज कब है मैम?
Holidays आपकी अभी second Saturday Sunday holiday है ना. From Monday you will have classes. So 2 days holidays you have second Saturday and Sunday. Okay. So in these 2 days you will get the work. Rip and Winkle and EVS work also. Okay. Both the subject I'll give one chapter I'll give you to write. You can complete that chapter. Okay. And complete this chapter reading and be ready for your test. You can prepare for your test. Okay. Now you can, if you have doubt, you can ask. Otherwise, you can leave. Not working. Ishan.
टेस्ट कौन सा लेसन है मैडम?
My Shadow and Robinson Crusoe. I have given in the message I have sent in the group. My Shadow and Robinson Crusoe. These 2 chapters will come for the test. 10 marks test is there. After completing this test, I'll give you marks out of 40. Your completed marks of PT1. Okay. So give this test, then your marks will be calculated.